John, well, our veterinarian, Dr. Joe, is here to answer your pet questions, and he brought this beautiful, big girl,
yes, there's
more to love.
Controversy, yeah. She's a little overweight.
She's
just a wonderful little dog, though. Her name is Foxy. She's about 5 or so. She's an older dog, but she is such a sweet dog.
Oh, thank you for the kisses.
Part Pekingese. I mean, she's really
beautiful.
Yeah,
she's just a little plus size model.
She's a little, right. We're gonna work on that a little bit, day by day. But yeah, she's a great little dog. She's a pet adoption league dog, so they'll show the number, or she'll be at our clinic for a little bit today too. But just a great little dog. If you don't want to go through the puppy stage, she's
perfect.
She really is. She really is. And kind of a smaller size. She's a little.
I mean, she's pretty. She's sturdy.
She's
sturdy.
Sturdy. There's the word we're looking for.
That's what we got.
Excellent.
She is beautiful. All right. Well, our first question is: our miniature schnauzer Davy has all these little bumps on his back.
Yes.
What does that mean?
So those little bumps are usually they're usually like little blackheads or little pimply guys.
Do you pop them?
Little scabs, or something. They could be. You could actually, yes, a lot of times. But I'll tell people there's little antiseptic wipes that you can buy to kind of prevent that a little bit. It's really acne. They call it kind of schnauzer back. You want your veterinarian to kind of look at it and make sure that we're on the right track here. There are other little things that are bumps, so a picture would be good. But but yeah, usually that's pretty common in schnauzers. A lot of bathing and a lot of disinfecting. So.
Nice. Get some Proactive. No.
Well, they're very similar wipes.
Is there really?
And actually, yeah, in the old days, a lot of people would just use rubbing alcohol, just kind of lightly over there, and it really desiccates really well. So.
Well, there you go.
Peroxide, not so much, by the way.
Definitely. All right. Well, Ron says our dog freaks out every time he sees squirrels. Is there anything he can do to break this bad habit?
Yeah, well, most dogs have a hunting type of instinct, so yeah, they'll kind of act that way. But there are several things you can do. First is avoidance. That may be hard to do, but like, in my yard, honestly, a lot of times I'll kind of look and see if the squirrel's out there or whatever. I'll make some noise in the door and the squirrel will run away before the dogs come out. The second deal is like what they call desensitization. That's really training him to get on point. Get on point for hunting dogs means that they may see it, but they don't freak out. And they let you then kind of go. But that takes some time and some training. There's not really a quick fix, but working with a trainer, it can be toned down. So, yeah.
All right. Well, last question here. Mallory says, my cat Bella keeps tilting and shaking her head. Why is she doing this?
Yeah, sometimes they can have an ear infection, and really that would be the first thing that I'd kind of think of, and your veterinarian needs to kind of look in there. Also, sometimes they can have stuff wrong with their mouth, a tooth infection or something where they're kind of doing that. So see how they kind of eat, if they're dropping any food out. But I'd kind of get that looked at, and it is kind of allergy season, and it's very common this time of year to be shaken because they'll itch, but they'll also just kind of try to itch it by shaking, which doesn't work too well.
No,
they're doing what they
learn
can.
That.
So, yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
well,
true.
If you have a question for Dr. Joe about your pets, you can post it on our page, KJRH TV. Or if you would like more information about the Pet Adoption League, this little puppy right here, this is Foxy. She is a little plus sizer, but that is definitely more to love. And if you'd like to learn more about Heritage Veterinary Hospital, all the information will be on our screen and our website, kjrh.com.